Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find order settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here, and now click this settings icon here. Now here, as you see, you will find orders. Click on it and you can manage your order settings. Here you can find order settings, order history, and that's it. That's how to find order settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.